sharpening a roughing gouge. Not sure what I used to have as an angle here, but recently I changed the angle to match my 40/40 grind because I like to sharpen this on the platform just because I don't like messing with this again. But I basically just turn the sharpener on. I'm on the 40/40 grind. This is set up just like I would sharpen my 40/40 grind bowl gouge, so I don't have to move the platform. I come up and I just put that there on the platform and I rotate this right around on the wheel. So I just rotate that around and it doesn't take long and to get that sharp. And again, this is not a detailed tool, so you don't have to be perfect for this. All you really have to have is a sharp edge. The other option to sharpen this, which does work pretty good, I find this is controls pretty good, but you have to bring this thing way out. But you can get this, and I just eyeball it. Of course, you could make all kinds of jigs to get the right distance out, you know, but I just eyeball it, and you just look at your eyes and get to where the bevel sits flat on the sharpening wheel. And then you would turn this on, and then you would rotate this through like this. And again, this is way up on the wheel, so there's no danger here. If you happen to have a steeper angle, okay, this was a steeper angle, that would have you dropping this out kind of like that to get that angle. And you can see how you're getting close to the center. This can be very dangerous, and this could be hard on your tools. It could be bad. Of course, if you're sharpening, make sure you have safety glasses on or your face shield, whichever one you want to put on to protect your eyes, because there are pieces of metal flying and you never know if a stone wheel will blow up or if a piece of metal or something come off of here. So make sure you're careful about this for using this method. So I like to make sure that I'm up on the upper end here. But that's another way that you can sharpen this, and that works pretty easy too. It's actually a little easier to control this than it is on the platform, I feel. But I still use the platform because I don't like moving this. So that's your roughing gouge. Really easy to sharpen. If you wouldn't mind, please hit that subscribe button. It would really help me to grow this channel and get videos like this out to more beginning wood turners, which is my goal. Try to help everyone out there so that you don't struggle as much as I did as a beginner. Thanks a lot.